Hi guys, welcome back to our new vlog. Today it's a very special vlog to me. हम लोग ने फ्राइड चिकन कोरियन फ्राइड चिकन हलाल मिसिसागा में ढूंढ लिया है and like I knew about it but they just confirmed us today that it's a halal scene, so we don't have to wait until to try the Korean fried chicken legit Korea jaake, but we have found a place. So I'm super excited for today and Ramadan Mubarak to all of you guys who have supported me throughout this journey. तो अब हम वीडियो शुरू करते हैं. Hi everyone. So as we introduced to you outside, that it's like I'm really excited to see everything halal on the menu. So we're pretty excited as a family, like to try this out. This is if you see the setting, that they have all the booths, every booth. It's very quiet, like in a very intimidating kind of like setting, but it's very nice. So I just like, this is our first time and we are trying it out. Okay. So I want A8 Kimari, as I say, yeah. Also, what would you recommend? So I'm also gonna get.
This is better than Kimari. Because vegetarian. Inside oyster mushroom. Also Kimari is good. This is very good too. Okay, Kimari try.
So guys, this is the first food arrived. So as you know, any Korean restaurant will give you all the kimchi and all the sides to try it on, and here is our first honey garlic chicken. Ooh, it's piping hot. You can see it's all sizzling and I'm so excited for this. It's so good. See, it's a whole bucket. Did we order small or large? Small. And this is like small. So guys, the filling is so good. You can see the crunch and you can see honey on the top. So here it's the first bite and it's all honey and the crunch on that. Oh. You can hear the crunch. It's so sweet and the flavor. The chicken is so moist. It's so flavorful and you have to eat it right hot. This is very good. On sweet, a bit of sweet, and then you right away the chicken kicks in, the flavor. Look at the juices. It's so good. I'd recommend, like, up till now 9 out of 10 for this honey garlic chicken. The crunches, I guess it's a cornflakes on the top with honey, right? It's a little bit cornflakes, you can see. So good. So that's barbecue. It smells so good. You can see the sesame and everything on that, and it's super good. I'm just ready to toss it, like eat it all. It's a dream come true, like to find a halal Korean place, guys. I'm telling you. The next thing we also order is kimari. So seaweed wrapped rolls. We all love it. Like my wife loves it, kids love it. It's in a seaweed and like some veggie. It's really good. It looks good. And also like the star, bulgogi. So look at this. It's beef stir fry with all the veggies. So super good. Everything looks so good. So let's take it in. I'm gonna go with kimari. It comes with its own dipping sauce, soya sauce. It's a seafood wrap, and you know, inside is glass noodles. So good. Ooh, I put the juiciest one. There's sesame on it. The sauce on this thing is so good. Barbecue chicken. Come on, did you try it?
No, I haven't tried it yet.
Guys, I can't tell you. This one is off the charts. The barbecue one is my favorite. Honey garlic is also good. So you need to get both of them. That is sweet and this is spicy. The last item I'm gonna try is the stir fry beef with some veggies. So as you can see,
Noodle is combo.
Thank you.
Maybe you put the maybe you.
Yeah. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Perfect.
Oh, the stir fry. Bulgogi with the. Look at this. Everything is so on point. I'm so happy that I found this place. I can't even tell you guys. Look at this. And our last dish, black bean sauce noodle. Jajamin is here. So. Wow. You can see like the black bean. Oh. Let's give it a mix. Guys, you need to try this place. So good. You like it? You like the food? So guys, I just tried black bean noodles. It's so good and unique taste. I can't tell you. I've been dying to try this. We were planning the trip south to Seoul, South Korea, just to try this all food, but we find it here in Mississauga. The link and the address would be in my description for this place. It's been amazing. And now this try we will be ending the video here. I'm gonna go and eat all of this goodness. Until next time, please subscribe the video, comment and like. And until then, I'll keep finding this halal food scene in GTA and Toronto. And Ramadan Mubarak to all of you guys.